And now, let us try to check some of the features or configuration of this Wi-Fi router. And for the network map, it will show you that if you're currently connected to the internet, and the mesh devices that are currently configured, and the clients that are currently connected to your network. And for the internet tab, it will be the internet connection type. And for the wireless, this is where you can actually change the name of your Wi-Fi network, change the security, change the password, enable or disable the Wi-Fi frequency 2.45 GHz, or even enable Smart Connect. And aside from that one, you can also create your guest network here. And the next one will be the advanced tab. For the advanced tab, there is actually a lot of things that you can actually do, but let us try to focus on some of the important things that I think you need. Okay, for the network, we have here the status, the internet, the LAN, IPTV, DHCP server. Okay, for the DHCP server, this is the IP pool that will be given to your network or connected devices on your network. And why I say this is important, if you have a network printer or a server that you want them to have a specific IP all the time, whenever they are connected to the network, you can actually assign a reserved IP for them. Just get their MAC address and reserve an IP that you want to give them. Then the next one will be the dynamic DNS routing. And for the TP-Link ID, guys, this is where you need to sign up a TP-Link account so you can actually log into your mobile app or Tether, and you can actually remote your Wi-Fi router even you are not at home. Okay, and aside from that one, we have here the wireless settings and guest network. We have talked about that earlier. We have the wireless schedule. Actually, you can schedule to automatically turn off your wireless network. And aside from that one, we have the WPS additional settings, not forwarding, and parental controls. Guys, for the parental controls, you can actually create a profile and give them a filter or time control. So for example, let us have here test and the devices that you want to create a profile for the parental control. So Huawei P3, then add, then maybe next, then aside from that one, blacklist or manage content, maybe just next, and the time control when they will be allowed to access the internet. Okay, that is for the parental control. And we have here the QoS, the security, firewall, access control, VPN, server, IPv6, Smart Life Assistant for Alexa, one mesh system if you have one, and of course for the system where you can actually update the firmware if there is a new update. And of course the other administration configuration